How to create tickets for your voting event. Tap on Organizer. Tap on your event. Scroll down and select the event you want to create tickets for. We will be creating tickets for this voting event. Select the event. Tap on the plus sign here on Ticket Categories. You have the option for ticket type, whether it's public or private. We want to create a public ticket. Enter the name of the ticket. I will name my ticket 1 vote. It depends on what you want to name your ticket. Enter the quantity you want available for this ticket category. Scroll down. If you want your ticket to be available in the New Leons, you select the New Leons. If you want your ticket to be available in US dollars, wherein people can buy from their debit or credit card, you select US dollars, for example. Input the amount you want people to buy the ticket. This ticket can be purchased with credit or debit card. You tap on Submit if you want the ticket to be sold in US dollars. We are creating a Leons ticket, so we tap on the Leons and we input the amount. Scroll down and enter the description of the ticket. You can choose either of the supported payment processors, either AfriMoney or Orange Money, or both of them. Also, tickets can be purchased with a Ventix cash account. Scroll down and tap Submit. Success! A ticket category has been created. Tap on OK. We've already created one ticket category. Let us go and create another ticket category. This time around, we are creating a ticket with 10 votes. This ticket has 10 votes. It will not cost the same as the ticket with the single vote. So we'll be selling this for 5 Leons. You scroll down and this time around we will select this is a package because it is not a single vote. So you activate this is a package. Indicate how many tickets will be available in this package. I want 10 tickets to be available in this package. Give a description of the ticket. Scroll down. You will see a rundown of your projected earnings. Tap on Submit. Success. Tap OK. We have created 2 ticket categories. As it is now, our tickets are not available online for sale. We have to put them online for it to be available for the public to purchase. Select the ticket category. Activate the available for purchase. Tap here to activate it. Go back to activate the other ticket category. Tap on the ticket category and tap here to activate the ticket category. If you go home now and tap on voting, you will notice that the voting event is available and tickets are also available for purchase, where people can buy and vote for their contestants.